Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you guys just about the end of the game that I will be showing you guys how to make. In this video I'll also be showing you guys how to set up the HTML side, so everything that you will be seeing on the game and all of the buttons and labels and everything, and let's get right to it. Alright, so this is the game. Basic, simple RPG, battle timer, all that kind of stuff. You have your stats and items you can buy, the potions, the weapons, buildings, scrolls, they all have their own stats to them. Down here we'll be just adding simple text that says what each item will be doing. Pretty simple. So yeah, you come up here, you hit the battle button, and your health will go down every second by the damage of the enemy. Same with the enemy, and every round you'll be getting more and more gold. Round goes up, you have your stats over here. You can increase whichever one, increasing your max health or your damage output. Everything is, you can only purchase it if you have the right gold. Potions regen health. Scrolls will increase your health permanently and increase them to full health. Or your damage just increases your overall damage. Your buildings. Gold mine will allow you to get gold every second. Training camp will increase your damage output. Your library is where you research, and your enemy's health will go down by a quarter from then on. And the medical station, every time you are out of combat, your health will increase back to full health. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's start right in the front of this so we can start getting the layout for it. So if you guys don't remember on that last video, this is what we left off with, just a simple button and a table header with 2 table rows declaring the age, name, and the favorite food. So we're just going to add on to this guy. So let's get back to it. So we're going to stop the program. Alright, the first thing we want is to change this input up here. So we're going to change this to read battle instead of hello bud. We're going to make this called battle bud. And we'll make this to danger, make it red. Alright, so now we'll go ahead into the table. We will do playing field. Alright, so that's right. So what we're going to do is what we learned last time. We're going to give this top div a class of row, and we're actually going to cut this line, paste it up here, and then next to it we're also going to add a paragraph tag with the span inside of it. And before the span, we're going to name this the round, and we're going to give this span an ID of round count, and we're going to put 0 in there. Okay, so now we come down, and now we're going to add the same thing, add a class row for the div below for the table. So here we're going to change this to the player side. This is going to be your gold, and this is going to be the enemy. Right below it, we're going to have the health. Yes, health. And we're going to put a span here. We're going to give it an ID of her player health. Give that, we'll start with 100 HP. And here we're going to put, we'll go ahead, we'll leave this blank for now. go back here, we'll do health, same thing, span, ID, cur, enemy, health, and we'll give that 10. Okay, alright, so if you run this, we'll now see something along the lines of this. Let's actually go back in. So here what I'm doing, I'm adding more classes inside of this row, and we're going to say call ND2. Then we're going to take this button in, we're going to paste it right there. And we're going to copy the same thing. I'm going to take the round number, paste that there. Just so they are in their own spots. If you guys don't know what the colon D2 is, that is for Bootstrap. That is a class where it's a table laid out across the entire page, and there's up to 12 spots in that table. Alright, so now let's go back, let's refresh it, just move that back over. Yep, so there's the battle button, our route. We have the playing field with the player, your health, and the enemy, and his health. So next, we are going to add another table row here. We're going to name this one damage, another span. ID is going to be player damage. We're going to say, just leave that one blank for now. We're going to say the same thing, damage, another span, ID of enemy damage. We're going to say 1. Alright, so if we go back, refresh that, you'll see that it's updated. There we go, damage. Here we go. Alright. Next up, we're going to add the next column, which are the potion and the weapons. So we're going to do div, we're going to add another row. And then we're going to split the page in half for each table. And we can just go ahead and copy that. Perfect. So we're going to add 2 tables here. Give them both of table straight. Alright, so here we're going to do a simple table row, and this one's going to be, actually do it this way, add table header, keep everything nice, table data, and we're going to name this one potions. Same thing here, table head, another table row, table data, and weapons. And then we can go back up to this first one. Table row. Table data. We're going to do the first one, a minor health potion. Next column. And we'll do this 25 gold. Next one, we're going to do another input. Type is a button. ID is, we're going to call this one by minor health potion. And value of purchase. Alright, so if we go down here now, we can do body, table row, data, and we're going to do wooden sword. And this one's 50 gold. Alright. And this is another type of button. A ID of a wooden sword. And a value of purchase. Alright, so now if we go back, refresh the page. Row back. Forgot what class it was called. 6. Minimize that table. Wait, actually. That right in there. Let's go back and refresh it. There we go. Okay, so yeah, now we have the potions, weapons, playing field, the battle, and the round number. And actually speaking, the round number should start with 1. There we go. Alright, so let's start with the So now we're going to add another row. Let's add 2 tables in here. This one is the buildings. This is the scrolls. Perfect. Alright, so let's see. Let's look at it. Alright, so there we go. We got those up and running. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the very bottom again. And we're going to make another row. Alright, so this one I'm going to give a small, let's give it a H4. That is just the heading size for basic HTML. And we'll say game info. And then we can give it a UL, so list, and we're going to say stop. Use that one here. So give this H5, call this one potions, get rid of this, and here we're going to say minor, and we'll say plus 25. Alright, so let's do that, paste that there. We're going to say wooden sword, and we'll say plus 5 damage. So let's go back, let's refresh it. There we go. We have our 2 lists and what everything is going to be doing. Let's go back down. And some minor tweaks is we're going to add a H4 here. Put that around playing field, just so we can tell. And the same with right below it for here. And we'll call that shop. There we go. So we have the playing field, shop, and the game info. Right now we're not going to worry too much about adding scrolls and buildings. We'll worry about that later time. In the next video I'll be going over how to give some functionality and everything. We'll start with the basic player health and enemy health, and we'll hit battle, and every second we will decrease that by the damage being taken and see who wins. Alright, we will see you in the next video.